This time the Quick Speed Shop Project Green machine is about ready to hit the highway. Let's check it out. Alright, bam, we're ready for the road test, but before that, let's go back in time and see how it runs. Alright, here I am under a tent in the rain. I think I've got this together enough to try to fire it up. I just filled a whole bunch of antifreeze into the radiator, and everything's on except for the air inlet box because I got to sandblast the chassis for that. But I've got the battery in. I think I'm ready to hook the battery up, and I'll crank this thing over and see if she'll fire. The smoke from the exhaust, the new manifolds, and all the oil on everything. Ooh, that oil she's burning off there now. The thing's like a smoke show. I don't see any leaks so far. The oil pressure is good. It's just below, that idle is just below the center of the normal. Thermostat hasn't opened up yet. I took this upper throttle body hose off and I filled it up and I blew all the coolant out so it came out of here, so I should have pushed all the air out of the engine. But when the thing opens, it ought to suck a little bit of this down here. Sounds good. The exhaust sounds good. Oh, don't put your face right over the coolant. That's bad. Be a YouTube fail for sure. We check the gauge. We check the gauges one more time. Alright, now we're ready for the road test. Here we go. Let me fire it up and we'll pull on out of here and we'll see how it does driving down the road. Hopefully it won't dog track or like flip off the road or catch on fire or kill me or anything. So we're ready for the first road test of Project Green Machine. Alright, here we go. The throwout bearing's a little noisy in the tranny. She's not puking any fluids. Let's see, we got oil pressure, temperature just coming up, we got gas, tach's working, no check engine light. Here we go. Put her in reverse and back on up. It's the first drive. Hopefully it's alright. Sounds awesome. Let's go for overdrive. Yeah. Yeah, man. Oh. See, I need to get it aligned. The steering is way out of whack here, which isn't to be. Of course, I never drove it. I don't know if it was out of whack in the first place, but I would guess that having it be in a wreck would put the steering wheel out of line like this. Can you see the steering wheel? I don't know, I'm driving. But so far so good. Drop her down into fourth gear here. Man, I like the burble out of the exhaust. It sounds awesome. Pulling to the left just a little bit here, but like the oil pressure be a little higher on the gauge. These are just kind of guesswork. I'm down on between the N and the O on normal, which is alright. Maybe that's how it runs. Let's see, we're coming up to temperature now. The mid-range to the temperature. It's going to open the thermostat here in a minute. Looks like it's slowed down a little bit. It's only 40 through here. Oh. Check engine light came on. That's not good. Oh, now it went off. Let's see, watch that temperature. Okay, the thermostat just opened. Looking good so far. Pressure's looking good, temperature's looking good. Oh, brakes are awesome. Got no air box on it right now, so synchros are a little rough on second gear, which the guy told me. Can't tell if it's dog tracking down the road. It doesn't seem to be. We're going to go out on the main drag and open her up a little bit. Turn signals work, brakes work. Whoa. And she doesn't like to downshift in the second, I know that. Go a little bit to the left, the wheel's way out of whack here. Let's turn that cruise back on and check that. Look at that, that's awesome. Man, it goes down the road nice. Pretty awesome for Project Green Machine. Well, bam, there we go. A successful first test of Project Green Machine. Well, actually, Project Green, Black and Silver Machine. But it's doing real good. It's running right in a good temperature range. The oil pressure's good. It drives good. It doesn't shake or anything. The brakes are awesome. The steering wheel is clocked a little to the right and it pulls a little to the left, which is not to be unexpected with the big crash this thing had, getting hit in the wheel and bending, blowing the tire and everything. I'm surprised it drives as good as it does. But look at this, bam! It's working great. This is going to be an awesome winter truck. I just got to get some things dialed in, get the front end lined up. Second gear synchros, which the previous owner told me are gone in the transmission, so when you downshift you really got to feel around and then clunker in there. But I got to get a couple things done on here. I'm going to swap some better seats in it. I got some XLT seats, going to put those in, fix 2 broken windows in the cap. Next up, we're going to build a custom front bumper for this thing, so that'll be awesome. But this is an awesome first test of Project Green Machine, and I'm glad I bought it. I got about $1,200 in this truck altogether, $275 for the truck, plus all the parts I put in it, plus I'm counting the new tires I took off my van. Those are about $250 for the tires I put on the back of it. So about $1,200 so far. I don't think that's anything to sneeze at. That's a good price on a good 1995 Ford F250 old body style truck right here in Project Green Machine. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'm putting out new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Hit the bell for alerts. Tell your friends. And as always, I'll see you right back here at the Quick Speed Shop for more Project Green Machine F250 old body style truck action.